Hi guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well guys, I have a box. Yes, I have a box, and I have a special box. This is from a company that I've heard about it years ago when I first started YouTube, and I kept saying one day I hope they select me to do a collab. And they did. I'm so proud to show you what they have. Okay, and also to put it in my design. So the company is named is Rose Forever in New York, and they're US of A based out of New York City, and they contact me to do a video, you know, just showing their product and some of the new things that's coming out. And I just want to explain real quickly who they are. They're a company based out of New York, and they have roses, guys. They have roses that last a year. Yes, a year. Can you believe it? For people like me who live in the desert, who can't keep anything, I can kill a cactus. So to have something like this is really unique, and I can't wait to see how it looks. Now, this is still in the box, guys, so I did not open it because I want to be surprised as you are. I've seen it on television. I have no idea what it looked like. So I wanted to sport it out with my black and white design. So of course, you know, your more girls wearing black and white. And let me show you what is inside this box. Okay. All right. So look, as you see, I did not open it. It is covered, packed very nicely. You know, more girl and packaging, right? And you know how I feel about packaging, because sometimes, you get products that, you know, there's a little problem, but this is securely packed. So this will be a wonderful gift to give to someone, a family, a friend, especially around, you know, the holidays. This is not just, you know, you think of roses, you think, you know, of Valentine's Day or anniversaries or weddings, yes, but I want to show you something different I want to do with this and see how I can incorporate these beautiful roses in my fall decor. All right guys, let's open this box. I have no idea what it looks like. So this is the packaging, and this is how it's packaged, nice and secure, and I believe it's in a oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. This is a Parisian black velvet box. And it is monogrammed. Okay, I can't wait to see it. This is a hat box, guys. This is a hat box. This is really unique and really different. Look at that. Black soft velvet box. Look at that, very sleek. Oh my god, this here is a decor. My black and white, oh my god, this is going to be popping on my table. And I'll probably stay there for the whole season. This is something you know, of course, my black and bling. Remember guys, my black and bling. So this is the box. Look how high, look at the monogram. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's in gold. Guys, it's in gold, gold and black. Oh my god, Rose Forever New York. Absolutely be the box alone is like decor. The box alone. Alright, so let's open this box and see what it looks like. Okay. 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 You ready? Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh, absolutely. Guys, this is absolutely stunning. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. Look how beautiful. And I got this is intense round black white flowers black box, okay? And I believe the box itself is Parisian velvet. It is absolutely stunning. Look at that. How it's a monogram. This is elegant beyond elegant. There's like a slight smell to them. And they are real roses, guys. They are real roses, and they are preserved, and they last up to a year. And I did get the large one, the largest box, which is 36 roses in here. Look at that. absolutely beautiful on my table. This will pop out. I'm telling you, this is staying on my tablescape for the whole year. It is not coming off. This thing can go straight into New Year's. Okay, so this is absolutely beautiful. Box, you turn it upside down and it goes in. See how it goes upside down, and you just place it right in the back for height. Absolutely beautiful. Now this is, I believe, is 7 inches high, and this box is 12 inches wide. They have the square boxes, they have the small, they come in multiple sizes, and I will show you. And also they have the new one which is like a personal one, and I'm thinking for the personal one that they just came out with, it's a smaller one. If this is like too large for you and you just need something really small to send to a parent, now what if you did like a gender reveal, and we're in social distances now, you could send a nice personal one to your in-laws, to your parents, you know, with the colors. Oh my god, the multiple colors: pink, blue, purple, white, black. Yes, they have black. So say if you was doing the gender reveal and you just wanted to see, not a party, but something personal to send to the parents, you know, just for the family, and you can see like their personal one now they have now, or one of these, and whatever the gender of the baby is, you can send that color roses to them. Okay guys, let's jump into this glam elegant tablescape that I'm doing for Rose Forever. Alright guys, let's get started.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us, where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired of having to hide? I know a place, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and this tablescape. Again, of course, a discount code will be in the description box underneath the title of the video. I would like to thank Rose Forever to reach out to me for this collaboration because I have been wanting them for so long. And I think their work is absolutely, guys, is exquisite. You will not be disappointed. And again, you know, holidays coming around, maybe something different. Now you see I did a nice typical sort of like little romantics, little wine and champagne type of tablescape. But I'm gonna change my tablescape to see if I could put roses in my fall decor. But you have to wait for the fall decor 2020 for that video. Alright guys, again, don't forget to check them out, check the description, and also check the new things, especially the little one. I really was impressed with the little single rose they have now. I think that's adorable, along with all the other things. So check out their website. You know, they have small, medium, large. You know, they call all kinds of colors, all kinds of sizes, and even if you want something so small as one single rose. Alright guys, it's Mooregirl, and thanks for watching. Okay guys, it's Mooregirl. Bye.